Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a look at the all-new 2024 Opel Frontera. This SUV is making a comeback after a hiatus, and it's looking to take on this segment with its bold design, spacious interior, and impressive features. So, buckle up and let's dive into what the 2024 Frontera has to offer. The first thing that strikes you about the 2024 Frontera is its head-turning design. It features a bold and aggressive front end with sharp headlights, a prominent grille, and a muscular bonnet. The side profile is clean and sleek, with flowing lines and pronounced wheel arches that hint at its off-road capability. The rear end is equally stylish, with taillights that echo the design of the headlights and a sturdy bumper. Overall, the 2024 Frontera is a handsome SUV that will surely turn heads wherever you go. Interior. Moving on to the interior, the 2024 Frontera offers a spacious and comfortable cabin. The materials used are high quality, and the overall design is modern and functional. The driver's seat is well bolstered and provides excellent visibility. The front passenger seat is equally comfortable, and there's plenty of legroom and headroom for both rows of passengers. The cargo area is also generously sized, making it perfect for road trips or hauling all your gear. The 2024 Frontera comes loaded with a variety of features that will make your driving experience more enjoyable and convenient. Standard features include an infotainment system with a large touchscreen display, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity, a premium sound system, automatic climate control, and a sunroof. Higher trims add even more features, such as a heated steering wheel, ventilated seats, a panoramic sunroof, and a driver assistance suite that includes features like blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning, and forward collision warning. The 2024 Frontera is available with a choice of two engine options. The base engine is turbocharged 4-cylinder that delivers plenty of power for city and highway driving. There's also a more powerful V6 engine available for those who want even more performance. Both engines are paired with an automatic transmission that provides smooth and responsive shifts. The 2024 Frontera is also available with front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive, so you can choose the drivetrain that best suits your needs. So, there you have it. A look at the all-new 2024 Opel Frontera. This SUV is a great option for those who are looking for a stylish, spacious, and feature-rich SUV that can handle both on-road and off-road driving. With its competitive pricing and impressive warranty, the 2024 Frontera is sure to be a hit with consumers. Thanks for watching, and be sure to leave a comment below and let me know what you think of the new. Subscribe to my channel.